So we have been discussing DFS, and in particular one of its important applications, finding articulation points in a connected graph. So we saw that using DFS tree, in particular back edges, one can detect articulation points. So we saw that if V is a node and there are a couple of branches going out of that, let's assume there are 3. Suppose there exists Bi such that if you look at these descendants, there is no back edge such that no back edge from any descendant of V to any ancestor of V. So there is no back edge from here to some node here, no back edge from this to some node here, and so on. If that's the case, when we remove this node, this subtree is disconnected from the rest of the graph. So we can conclude V is an articulation point. And this rule is applicable for a non-root node. Suppose a root node has got at least 2 branches, or equivalently its degree is at least 2. Then when we remove this, we see that these branches will be disconnected. And so if the degree of the root is at least 2, then root is an articulation point. So please note, if you look at a DFS tree, so it looks like this, right? So if at all there is a back edge is from a node, say V, to U, and both are part of the same branch, we will not have missing edges of this type. So there is no edge from this branch to another branch, no back edge or no missing edge from this branch to some other branch. Things like this we will not come across as part of DFS tree. When we find DFS tree for a given connected graph and then focus on missing edges, then the missing edges is within a branch. It is not between the branches. So let's look at this example. Suppose we run DFS starting from this. Then we explore its neighbor 7 and its depth. So we keep exploring until we cannot proceed any further. Then we have got 5, then 4, then we get 3, then we get 2. So 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and no further exploration. We stop and then we backtrack. We backtrack and see, are there unvisited vertex with respect to 3? No. And 4? No. So like that, if you see, for all of them, it is no. Now this is our DFS tree. Now you focus on missing edges. So you see that there is a missing edge from 1 to 2. And look at 3, 5, there is a missing edge. 3, 6, there is a missing edge. And 2, 6, there is a missing edge. So that's all we have. So now if you look at this, now you are asking, is 5 an articulation point? but you see that there is a descendant and say 3, and this 3 is having a back edge to some ancestor. In this case it is 6. It could even be more. For example, look at 2. 2 is a descendant of 5 and it is having a back edge to 1, which is an ancestor of 5. So here is a node 5 for which there is a descendant which is connected to some ancestor of this, which means, and we have only one branch. So 5 is not an articulation point. Now you ask, is 4 an articulation point? 4, yes, there is a descendant which is connected to the ancestor. So 4 is not an articulation point. And in fact, none of them are articulation point as far as this graph is concerned. Root is having degree 1, and this one is not an articulation point because there is a descendant which is connected to this. Correct? So you see that this one is not, this graph is not having any articulation points. So note that 2 is not an articulation point. Reason, 2 is not having any descendant. So if you find a descendant, and so that is how our property is, right? Suppose the DFS tree is like this. If you look at the last node and if you look at the last but one, for last but one, if there is a back edge from this one to some ancestor, then V is not an articulation point. So for a node, you should have at least one descendant. With respect to that, you run an argument. But what if this is our picture and your argument is with respect to this? Then clearly V is not an articulation point because this is not even having a descendant. So when we remove this, graph is still, the rest of the graph is still connected. So you remove this, the rest of the graph is still connected. So if you have a branch and such that no descendant from, no back edge from any of the descendant to the ancestor, then it is. But this one is not even having a branch, so this one is not an articulation point. Okay, let's look at this graph. You see that if you remove 4 along with edges incident on 4, then the graph is disconnected into two connected components.